In this guide, we will show you how you can use Akana to create an initial API product that proxies an unmanaged endpoint. This guide is part of a series to help you get started with Akana. Following guides explain ways to further enhance your API product for better discoverability and usability, or clarify more advanced Akana capabilities. API products are an essential means by which the Akana API management platform is giving enterprises ultimate control over the APIs that are critical for the reliable and uninterrupted operation of their business. To achieve this, the platform provides capabilities across the entire API product lifecycle. Using automation, unmanaged API endpoints can easily be turned into managed API products. The API is automatically deployed on the designated API gateway clusters once its configuration is complete. At the same time, the product details are published in the appropriate API consumer portal, so that developers can easily find and review these details and submit API access requests. From an API traffic perspective, the platform offers extensive analytics to cover anything from operational metrics to charts that help determine whether the API's business objectives are being met. Let's quickly summarize some essential concepts and terminology. In Akana, you create API products that act as the interface to one or multiple target endpoints. These target endpoints are part of what is called a physical service. Unlike the virtual endpoint that is associated with an API product, physical service endpoints should be regarded as unmanaged. In most cases, there is no formal access management for these endpoints. Moreover, security measures are often lacking, inconsistent, or incomplete. These and similar concerns are addressed by managing those endpoints. Concepts and terminology used in Akana may differ from terminology that you are already familiar with. In the guides, your special attention will be called by banners like the one shown here where key concepts need explicit clarification. We'll now start by showing how you can create your first API product by proxying an existing unmanaged endpoint. In this guide, we will show you how you can execute the steps through the Akana API portal, but please note that they can also be executed in a fully automated manner. Automation is covered in another guide. For the present example, we assume that the target endpoint's interface is documented. In this case, the document is an OAS document. Other guides in this series cover alternative ways that Akana offers for creating an API product. To start, log into your Akana API portal by providing your username and password. In the top-level menu, click APIs. Click Add API. If you do not see this option, your platform administrator has not yet given you the required permission. In this case, check with your administrator first. You are presented with two options for creating your initial API product. For this example, we assume an API description document already exists. Select I have an OAS document. You can upload your document from the URL where it is published or from your file system. For this example, we'll use the latter option. Select File. Click Choose File to select the API document that you want to upload. This example uses the well-known Pet Store API. Uploading the corresponding OAS document should go without problems. Once the document is uploaded, click Advanced Options. This allows you to provide some additional API product configuration settings. First, give your API product a version number. Next, adjust the visibility setting. In most cases, you initially want to limit the visibility of your API product so only designated users will be able to see it. To achieve this, select Private as value for the visibility field. Finally, you can select your API product implementation. For now, select Default to create a default implementation called Live. When saving your API product, it will automatically be deployed on the available API gateways based on the implementation details. Click Save to save your API product. Your API product has now been saved. Documentation in OAS format has automatically been generated. Portal users can review this from the documentation option in the left menu. The API product is listed under All APIs and also under My APIs if you are the API owner or if you are a user following the API. You are now ready to enhance your API product configuration, for example by applying API security policies or by uploading additional documentation. This guide covered the steps to create an initial API product based on an existing API document by executing the steps through the Akana API portal. Other guides in this series explain how to further enhance the API product configuration. Please check them out.